In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the line with breaks chart type on Tradingview. If you're interested in strategies like breakaway gap trading or want to gain new insights into price movements, this guide will help you navigate this less commonly used but very insightful charting method. Let's begin by locating the chart type icon at the top of your Tradingview screen. This icon serves as the gateway to a variety of chart representations, each offering its unique perspective and understanding of market data. Clicking on this icon opens up options beyond the standard ones you might be familiar with, such as bars and candlesticks. Today, our focus will be on the line with breaks chart type. Having clicked on chart type, you will see a list of various charting options, including our target, the line break. Simply click on line break and your graph will transform, offering a refreshed view of your data. The line break chart is designed to highlight significant price movements, disregarding the less important fluctuations. Unlike typical line charts, this chart type filters out noise, helping you focus on clear trends and significant shifts. This lean design makes it easier to analyze trends without the distraction of minor fluctuations. Now, as you settle into this new view, you'll start to notice something intriguing: gaps in price movements. These gaps are not just empty spaces, they are the essence of the line with breaks chart. They reveal moments when a price shift notably disrupts the previous trend, indicating potential entry or exit points for traders. Such gaps signify volatility and can be particularly invaluable for strategies focused on breakaway gap trading. This technique hinges on identifying and capitalizing on such significant disruptions, making the line with breaks chart an excellent tool for those inclined towards these strategies. As you explore and analyze these gaps, keep in mind that you can easily revert back to the traditional candlestick charts whenever you wish. This flexibility ensures that you can compare and contrast different visualizations and interpretations of your market data, thus broadening your analytical perspective and enhancing your trading decisions. Before you conclude your session on Tradingview, take a moment to reflect on what this chart has shown you about your selected asset. The line with breaks chart isn't just a simple transformation. It's a nuanced perspective that might reveal patterns and opportunities unseen with other chart types. With practice, this chart can become a powerful tool in your trading arsenal, offering you insights that can support your strategies and help you make more informed decisions. Thanks for joining me today, and as always, be sure to explore different facets of your trading platform to fully utilize its potential.